This is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's fit lower racing track D.I.Y to your Zontes 703RR. Right side. Code 11368000460022. Left side. Code 11368000470022. Available to order from your local Zontes dealer. D.I.Y 703RR Modified Low Handlebar Installation Video Tutorial Preparation Tools Number 2 and Number 5 Hex Wrenches, T45 Torque Socket, Number 8 Hex Socket, Torque Wrench, Phillips P, Needle Nose Pliers. First, replace the right handlebar using the number 5 hex wrench to remove the right handlebar balance fastener. Then use the T45 torque socket and torque wrench to remove the right handlebar fixing bolt. Use needle nose pliers to remove the right handlebar pin shaft clip. Use the number 8 hex socket and torque wrench to remove 2 front overlay sand half-fixed bolts. Pull out the front brake switch connector. Use Phillips P to remove the 4 fixing bolts of the right handlebar switch. According to the video method, after disassembling the right handlebar switch, pull out the upper connecting plate pin shaft, remove the right part of the handlebar, then gently pull out the right part of the handlebar. Use a towel to cushion the handlebar switch to avoid scratching the cover key. Install the new right part of the handlebar according to the video method. Install the upper connecting plate pin shaft back, and install the circlip back on the upper connecting plate pin shaft according to the video method. Install the fixing bolts of the right part of the handlebar using the T45 torque socket and torque wrench to tighten to the fixed torque setting of 25 Nm. The right part of the handlebar has fixed points. Install the handlebar switch back to the fixed points and use Phillips P to tighten the 4 fixing bolts securely. Install the front overlay sand semi-cover and the front sand main pump assembly back to the direction handle as shown in the video. The direction handle has fixed point position markings. Align with the points. Then install 2 M6X22 hex flange bolts with a torque setting of 11.5 billion Nm. Repeat tightening the bolts twice and connect the brake switch connector. Install the right balance clamp of the direction handle using a number 5 hex wrench to tighten the bolts. Replace the left direction handle by removing the left balance clamp of the direction handle using a number 8 hex socket and torque wrench to remove the left front overlay sand semi-cover of the direction handle and unplug the clutch switch connector. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 fixed bolts of the left handle switch. Unplug the heating wire connector from the handle, then continue to remove the handle head fixed bolts. According to the video method, use needle nose pliers to remove the upper link plate pin snap ring. Use a T45 torque socket and torque wrench to remove the fixed bolts of the left direction handle, then remove the upper link plate pin and take out the left direction handle. Use a number 2 hex wrench to remove the left heated handle. since the direction handle is coated with thread locker. If the heated handle cannot be removed after removing the bolts, an air gun can be used to assist removal. According to the video method, evenly apply a small amount of thread locker, then install the heated handle into the direction handle. During installation, align the threaded holes and use a number 2 hex wrench to install one fixed bolt. Install the left handlebar pin shaft and use needle nose pliers to install the retaining ring onto the pin shaft. Use a T45 Torx socket and torque wrench to install a left handlebar fixing bolt. Set the torque value to 2.5 billion Newton meters. Connect the heated handlebar connector and install the fixed handlebar clamp onto the handlebar fixing point using a Phillips screwdriver to tighten a fixing bolt. Insert the heated handlebar connector into the corresponding clip, then turn on the handlebar switch. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 3 fixing bolts on the left handlebar switch. Connect the clutch switch connector. Remove the clutch rocker half cover. As shown in the video, align the indicated handlebar fixing points, then use a number 8 socket and torque wrench to install 2 M6x22 flange bolts. Set the torque value to 1.15 billion Newton meters and tighten twice. Install the left handlebar balance weight and tighten the fixing with a number 5 hex wrench. After completion, power on and check whether the left and right handlebar switch functions operate normally. If any button does not work, please check whether the handlebar switch is installed correctly. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.